Hey teachers, it's Mr. Wilkes with another STAAR 2.0 strategy. So this week we're going to talk about number line. And right off the bat, I'm going to say I am not a math teacher. So math peeps, if you see this video and think I made a mistake or left things out or could have done things better or have some advice, please give me that feedback and I can update this in future videos. So let's talk about the new number line feature that's going to be on STAAR 2.0. And as you can see, I've got pulled up here a slideshow from Eduphoria to show you how this can be used on testing apps like Eduphoria. But what if you want your students to practice and get at bats with number lines without necessarily using a testing format? What are your possible options? Well, one of them could be to use wordwall.net, which is one of my favorite online tools ever. So I went on to WordWall and I did a search for number lines, and I found this particular activity that I then made my own copy of. And this particular build may not work for you. The link will be below, but this might not work for you. But the idea is pretty simple. The teacher who made this originally has their number line back here, and then they have their answer choices here. And the notion is simple, that the student is going to drag and match up uh, wherever they think these answer choices would fit on this example number line. So you could easily adapt this game as is by going down here and clicking edit content and then doing this differently. But what if you wanted to start from scratch? What if you didn't like the format of this particular number line? Well, that wouldn't be all that difficult either. So let's back up to our WordWall landing page and we're going to click create activity. So from create activity, we're going to scroll down to labeled diagram. By the way, the labeled diagram option on wordwall.net can be used for a ton of different things, not just number lines. And so the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add an image. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to find pictures on my computer, and I have this number line right here. So let me open that up. And I am going to copy this image, and then I'm going to go back here. Well, I guess I could use the upload. So we'll upload it that way. And that pops this image in here. All right. And then over here, I could start adding labels. Where do I want them? And notice this little bubble here. This is my first label. I can drag it to wherever I want that to be. And I can add as many of these as I want, and I can drag them wherever I want them. So you would just build your number line that way with the image you chose and click save. And it's really as easy as that. So there it is, one way to practice with number lines without having to go into a test format. If you have questions, comments, feedback, please shoot me a note, and thanks for watching.